don't see any S1Ks. ZX6R.
I don't like that.
Huh?
I don't like this. This has got to be used.
They're all used here. Really looking at buying this one. This one's super clean. Miracle. We got 86 out of 100. Yeah, that's nice. Just has a stupid tank guard on it. Has a stupid tank guard on it.
What's your overall thought?
Huh?
Your overall thought?
I think it's really sweet. I think it's really cool. I think I need more money.
Really sweet, really cool, huh? The most basic response.
Yeah.
That's my next one.
It should be. Yeah, you definitely pay that Ducati premium. But they're cool bikes. They're crazy.